Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Windows ISO file on virtual machine, because probably I suggest and I think that most of you in the last time testing and watch situation of this lots of update and want to know how it works, and it's the easiest way to see how that version is on, how it has some bugs issue and what's new and whatever. First I'll go to, and it's first time that I work. I try was with another. It's not been VMware. It was I think Oracle, but we will see. Go create a new virtual machine, and you see I'm download some ISO file. It's beta version some, and I will choose here browse and desktop, and you see now it's here, and next, and next, remember the password. Just let's see, and here as you see how space you want to choose. As you know, when you watch my previous videos, I don't have any, but on my Asus VivoBook I have one free space for NVMe, but I didn't buy it and put here, and I will choose 17 gigabytes, and I think that is enough. Let's see, 18 yes. Next, and now go to customer hardware. This is most important, and you see for my PC sorry, I know that is specific for most virtual machine, and I will leave on the 4, and the processor number, of course I have 4, or I have 8, and I will put the 4. And guys, that will be all that I know. And now what we have to do, let's see, virtual CPU contains, okay, and if we close, finish. I think that I'm right. I don't know, we will see. I don't know why back. I must create file. It's not good. Machine in my C drive. Sorry. Okay, it's here, but And now you are running this machine side channel. Okay, migration, that's the point. What I didn't, I was my mistake. I was okay. Finished installing, and that's the, I didn't make the file folder to and now we will see if it don't work. That's the problem. I didn't made a new file, and in that file I must put the ISO file, and that's the problem. So I think okay, it's open. So guys, it's open. It's my PC, like you know, it's not. But in this case, I think it's not a matter the fastest of your PC. I work that for those who want in the future, and now download this VMware Workstation. It's the new version 17, and now as you see, it's okay. Keyboard, I don't want to keyboard because I'm from Croatia, but Croatia, Bosnia, Serbia, everything play. Israel, Croatia, and we are in NATO, we are in the European Union, but in the Microsoft we are not. It's easy, but have Bosnia. They are not, but they have not. Chirilica or Cyrillic. I was learned Cyrillic in the Yugoslavia, but never again. It was last. It was in the Yugoslavia. Serbia. Must find Serbia Latin, because we don't have. It's shame, Microsoft, of you. You must put Croatian language in here, and Macedonian we have. Russian, Serbian, Latin, and Cyrillic. My God. And install now. Startup is set up. Okay. I don't have product key. And now I will choose Microsoft Pro. It's a little slow, of course. I'm recording with Camtasia and so on and so on, and install on virtual machine. I accept, and next, and custom install. That's new. Let's apply. Okay. That's for what I choose. and next. And guys, as you see, install. Just I will pause now video. And now guys, as you see, Windows need to restart, and for now everything goes like must goes to end. And now we'll boot Windows 11. I was took some Windows 11 beta channel because I didn't record about that beta channel, and later please subscribe on my channel, and later I will record about that, I think, last beta channel, and we'll see what we have on beta channel that, and you know how to, you have to in the Oracle, but for me, trust me, I was work on that. It's not really that is hard, but this VMware is really lot easier than Oracle. So if you want, just type download VMware, and now as you see, getting ready, and I will leave here a little. Like I said, it's my PC is slow, but as you see, it's really work. And now it will open, I hope, and we will see what version is. And as you see, that is work. Now we are click on that icon, and now it's on without all screen. And now go to, as you see, everything is successful. Now to go to set for personal use, and I must refresh a little, and now we must sign in your Microsoft account, you know that, and when you finish that, you are done. Click here to that icon to open your without all, and I don't know, I must create now, so okay, I will. And I was put some Microsoft account new, and now it must be finished, and let's see. And now guys, as you see, Windows is here, and everything. Video is too long, but my machine is, but you have here for beginning to the end how to install it. And if you are not, please subscribe on my channel, like, share, and that is a virtual machine on your machine. I don't have, if you have 2 SSD or hard drive, install on the second, not primary, but I have only one, and that's it. Guys, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and bye.